Guys, I'm back again, Brian here. Today, I'm actually going to review two new wild kind of relatively new, Regiliceratops. Both of them are wild roars. So Regiliceratops and Irritator. I'm gonna first start off with Regiliceratops because this is a first Regiliceratops. Dino trackers. It's a desert. Blue and beta, of course, and the Jurassic World logo. Here is the back. It shows the ones. We have the Irritator right here, and also the one I'm missing is Oki-Raptor. I'm not going to even tell you about the Nitrosaurus, but whatever. Let's go cut open this package. Just 2 snips, and that's it. For the figure. Oh, jeez. It's not locked in. What? Okay, that was hard. The tail is still in the package. Oh gosh, I almost cut myself. So here's the tail. It's kind of small, but it's understandable. Alright, that's a good click. So Regiliceratops is really colorful with the nice greens, yellows, and browns that are on his skin. The most interesting thing is the quills or feathers that are on his tail, and this too. These horns look like it's a Triceratops, but there's even more horns right here too. Articulation, well, of course the legs can move. Like any other dinosaurs, the legs move. Well, like any other dinosaur that's big, they have movable legs. They're really cool. You can do this, go up, and inward, outward. Tail can rotate, but this is mainly what you need. So it makes noises. Also, if you notice, it also pushes. It does this where it goes left or right, and then the head goes like this. So here it is. Yeah, see. That's interesting because Diabloceratops never had this. And you know what I'm talking about is Diabloceratops from the Wild Roar, Wave 1, but this is Wave 2. That includes Regiliceratops, this Irritator, and others. So overall, it's really cool. Now, the one I'm really most excited about is the Irritator, because this is the second Irritator, and the first Irritator was way back in 2020, and I didn't get, of course. But this new one will be really cool. Of course, 2 snips, pull it out, and the tail is also in there. The tail is bigger. The tail is way larger than the Regiliceratops' tail, of course, and a couple other dinosaur tails. It's right here. It's actually pretty big, and it has this little sail right on the tips. Now, Irritator is really colorful with some nice greens, blacks, oranges mainly, and this really nice looking sail. And the snout looks really good. That's a really good looking snout. And oh yeah, I forgot the scan code, so I'm gonna show the scan code Regiliceratops. Here it is. And of course the Irritator, of course. And also I didn't show the articulation for this guy, so his arms are super big. And they move like this. Still. It's really cool. Legs, of course, like Regiliceratops, they can go inward, outward, they move. And the tail rotates. Don't really like the tail rotation, I like the ball joint tails. Now, same thing. You can just go move it to the left or right. Gotta say, this one I like. Probably one of my favorite ones I have, because probably one of my favorite Spinosaurus. Yeah, Irritator is a Spinosaurid. Out of these two, I like Irritator because, you know, this sculpt looks scientifically accurate. I'm just gonna say this sail looks like a paddle for this irritator. So it looks what was it? Yeah, like realistic, scientifically accurate. That's what I meant. So, the retro Ceratops, do I think this is scientifically accurate? I don't really know. But this looks scientifically accurate for a irritator with this sail. So, that's all I have to say about these two dinosaurs. I hope you had a fun time. Like, subscribe. If there's notifications, you can turn it on. See you later.